Owl Hat is an app that will solve math problems at your fingertips. Like, I mean literally. It's an app, you can point your phone at it, take a photo of any math problem, and it will solve it and give you your answer. But it's not like a cheater app. It's not just gonna give you the answer. The best part about Owl Hat is Owl Hat actually shows you how to solve the problem along with giving you the answer, so you actually learn from it. I know a ton of you guys watching these videos are between the ages of like 11 and 15, and that means you're probably having trouble in math class. You know why? Because I had trouble in math class, but I didn't have Owl Hat back in the day, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty upset because this app is sick. Another really cool thing that Owl Hat does compared to a ton of the other apps out there that are similar is Owl Hat can actually solve word problems. So you can point your camera at a word problem, and guess what? It's gonna solve it. And not only is it gonna solve it, it's gonna break it down for you. Owl Hat can actually handle everything from Algebra 2 to basic math, so if you guys are having trouble with any subject in between those levels, this app is gonna be great for you. I'm telling you. The reason we partner with Owl Hat is because we believe in this app and we genuinely use it here. My boss upstairs has 3 kids. They're all having trouble with math. Guess what they're using? Owl Hat. That's what I'm saying. We were a fan of the app before they reached out to us, and now that we're here, we couldn't be any happier working with them. So if you guys are interested, click the link down below, get yourself a subscription, and get rid of all the headaches that come with having trouble with math. You'll thank us later.